back, my people, my country people. Holla. This.
I don't know. I always laugh if they do this sort of thing.
Yeah. You don't know what I'm talking about, man. Shit. Holla. That film, Sha. See, this now I read and I know the way they be. My name is Eleno. Of course, we get Lucky Child and MC Shaggy for you. We don't talk about the laugh out loud. Madman will be like say, instead of sweet and for body, now begin dance for road. But right now, we want to enter Tory, don't war. Tory and for war. Is Tory war your side?
Honestly spoken, this story war. The war be say, if you hear us on, I'll say, we all not they got all these things. We're courtesy of Livinus and Mr. Yemi. We get all these things for our office. This first story will be say, Russian town, their old mosquito festival. Now, a whole time, they don't see any festival they don't do now, mosquito festival. Now, make we hear the gist so that our viewers for us go feel out, they will come back on, Abi,
yes.
Polish up. Yeah. Make we hear the gist.
This is another Tori Iwowo. Hey, Russia town old mosquito festival. Oh lolo. People of Berezhniki inside Russia gather for pond to celebrate mosquitoes for 3 days. The Wawa part of the Tori be say they get what they call most delicious girl competition. This competition now where women go wear only singlet and short knicker, constant for 20 minutes around the pond for mosquitoes to bite them. Ilolo school. The woman will get the highest number of mosquito bites, now go become the winner of the title Most Delicious Girl. They get expert panel of judges wey include doctor wey go examine the number of mosquito bites on top the women body. Olo scuba. Tori really wawa.
So mosquito get levels.
They organize, they volunteer.
And now they say malaria is predominant in Africa.
Yes.
Now for Russia, people they organize mosquito festival. Malaria not there.
But now big show be that too.
My brother, leave that.
So imagine now, come to that direction. Say that big show.
Now big show.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are doing mosquito festival. Featuring MC Shaggy. Oh, you will also get there. Eleno. And the rest are not they go.
The host, Lucky Child. I bet you go to this. Mosquito that place different.
Eleno.
And they can't do the thing for Ayilara. That's why mosquito they will like say all this insecticide no they kill them again. Maybe they can't do it for Ayilara, for Jegule, or for some side of Okoko or Jagbadi. Or that Badagry side near the creek. Maybe they enter the water, maybe mosquito bite them. If only two bite them, they will not do the competition.
But not this surprise. Know the conditions for the competition. See, you go naked.
You will only singlet and boxer.
If they do it for Nigeria, no say people going to look to what they're going to look forward. They're going to wait for that.
The price?
No, the price now just the title. Definitely something go follow, but the title, the most delicious girl.
To mosquitoes.
Yeah, so you want get the highest bite of
where mosquito
that
go.
Means now she mosquito they sweep pass. Say this blood. So you can see what's happening in this world. But seriously, the mosquito in Russia, not be in Africa. Like what I learned also. If only
mosquito they be militant.
If only
yes,
two,
now.
Because I know one story. One of our preacher girl also then say white then come Africa then. One single mosquito come by the missionary man wife. One. They fly the woman go back to UK. Will you mean say the woman die? One mosquito bite her.
Julius Caesar, Alexander the Great. He conquered the world in 7 years. What it took Julius Caesar how many years to conquer? What he kill him? Mosquito.
Oh.
And I'm sure it was somewhere in Nigeria he came visiting.
Even Mongo Park too. Mongo Park where he died for Busa. Now mosquitoes then.
They stop saying you are doing mosquito.
Try this festival
to Nigeria. You will do mosquito festival. Let's see if you will do it again. Big rubbish. What's wrong with you?
What's that?
No, see something to do, you will do mosquito festival. Come and do it in Nigeria.
They not get problem, I be the thing.
Nonsense.
You people need to have problem.
I bet Shaggy.
That mosquito competition, the current Nigeria go dey favor because many guys go dey happy. They look forward to that day. Say,
so which fine girl for Nigeria?
Which
fine girl go stand mosquito bite?
Nah, the guys are they will tell you so.
But get the kind of money they go call like
bad for you. The way we take
naked.
I go naked.
Full naked.
I don't tell you if the mosquito they buy, you must not slap.
And then the Torite carrots enter another, and the Torite will enter another corner. And they say, yes, people say they don't snap picture tires. So they see people they snap for wedding. You don't tire them. They say, okay, make them try. Make them change pattern. They won't be creative. More bring another style. Now they come now for coffee. But more hear the story of them.
Wow.
I don't really love couple ways now for this like coffee.
Couple take wedding photo inside coffin. Oh, look, Muski. Jenny Tay, 29 years old, and Darren Cheng, 30 years old. Now, new husband and wife will go snap wedding photo inside coffin. The two of them, they work as undertakers. That is, people where they use coffee carry dead body. The two, both of them, like their job well. So to show the love where they get for their job, as they won't marry or as they even don't marry, they can go snap their wedding picture inside coffee. The lady talk say she won't make people they comfortable with death. Now for Singapore, this one Shelley. This is another.
Okay. Now with the tossing at Tori, don't worry. But this one I wonders I never end.
This thing is about to do.
This one I wonders I never end.
So what do that level on your own?
Like
Laos level fit the Laos.
He get killed.
Tori does their own. What's happened? My name said the reception will be for cemetery.
Baba for you. No. So
I don't need to set chairs now. A table. I just set chairs around.
But let me, if you look according to the story, if you listen well, they say they be undertakers.
Yes.
They don't work as undertakers. You know, say anything they do for this life need to represent. To show, say what you they do. Later they will show those pictures to their children. Say
This is
undertaker.
we so much love our job.
We love our job, and we took pictures with the tools.
I'm the person with the grandpapa now. They are supposed to snap.
They snap with their
Granny
machine.
Oh, vulcanizer now.
All from push and I go snap. You know that kind of thing. Anything they do, they.
Or if you be Dambo driver, so you can snap your picture.
So when they do comedy, they hold microphone, they snap with the microphone.
Yeah. Well, my wedding, I don't use microphones.
But you use all.
No.
You know use all.
I for use on that bridge. I bet Tori don't want people don't know themselves. Go snap for that coffee. You're something's wrong with you. Something's wrong. I sure say that madman has something related with you guys.
You know, say you get some part for the where they say for better for worse. Till you get one place they call
The dead one's part. Death not dead yet. Dead not dead yet.
Already.
But this is serious, man.
Okay, yes, now for the Torino one, I don't know where this one will go. They say woman report policeman because he pay her transport fare.
Now, bad thing he do.
Make we hear the story first because I try to understand them. Let us hear the story. Maybe it will make sense to me because right now it's not making sense. I thought police.
Woman report policeman because the policeman pay her transport fare. One Saudi Arabian woman, they try to stop taxi, but no one they stop for her. She call the policeman where they there to help her stop taxi. The policeman call stop one taxi. As the woman enter, the policeman come pay the taxi. The woman no agree, but the policeman say, please ma, make I pay so that God the Almighty go reward me. But the woman can't cram the policeman name and the number on top the policeman uniform badge. When she reach house, she call the policeman their oga to report the matter, say this policeman don't do good act.
Now good report.
Now good report, shall not be say.
But how many people
No,
go
you should say
to
a
her?
report. I mean, maybe she called to say thank you.
No,
she
report. He report, give the organ so that the organ will feel promote that lady,
now
so they get
report.
good acts.
Now the same way of calling to report, but this time not the report to come arrest or punish, but a report to commend this guy. How many Nigerian police
now
go to
because
her? You just say in my mind.
I see for you. Can't pay. First of all, the first where you dey go? Boss no dey reach the boss. Boss no dey go the boss.
And then it too far. It too go far. Not be Nigeria police boss they pass. You come mistakenly enter. You got to say no. You not be they not be downful. As you enter, you know they come down.
Okay, yes, those boss they shatter,
They raiding. They call am raiding boss.
You can't go enter.
You can't go enter. You can say, oh, sorry, oh. Not be, I know they go well like my father. Just so make a call and see for where you go.
You are under arrest.
You are under arrest
For
entering the wrong
They go
boss.
something they look for people to raid. You just willingly raid yourself. You want go follow us.
Come down here, be
You are
yourself.
under arrest for willingly raiding yourself.
But Nigeria police make them just learn from this cue. Take a cue from this. It's a very good one.
Yes.
Not only on how to
Don't
collect.
just stand on the road, hold touch light for money. They shout, "Park in a light in the morning." What's wrong with you? What's wrong?
I don't swear Nigeria police, they try to stop motor. Where they stop motor, you know, the motor not really stop. As a loser lights where they cry. Why? Park. The motor don't go.
Into the Japan.
No, you know they see the, you know I don't do policeman for check when the guy stop me. As I want come, I can't get how far on a day. The next thing, the one we did the other side, just see another motor. They come one big motor. Now just say, Oliver, leave that guy. Say walk, they come. Which one we see walk, they come?
Better
That's
one.
you when they you not be work at all.
They come big fish, they come big fish.
And they say, these guys, they are not even here to serve and to protect. They are here to do work.
No, they're not even stop you with parking.
But what do they get when they talk way they even surprise me? Why don't they ask anything for the boys? Why then they at that point they didn't know who they be again?
Because
They're not tired to read paper.
They are
Say
Nigerian
anything
boys.
for the boys. No, to refer themselves as boys.
They are boys. They are your boys.
And because I say boy now we supposed to control them.
Yes, now.
So that point, so that they let us know say even with their uniform or whatever we supposed to
gets
control.
At that point, today they tell you say we are lawyer, my brother. Anything we
Anything they give us.
Now in that
Now,
prayer.
automatic
Get somewhere
expression.
there for that Surulere side. Those ones, they never they stop you. They ask you your driving license. That one, you know, they did the additional. The next day, just ask you, my guy, how far now? Man, we dey hungry.
I know as they thought this thing. My spirit just tell me say one Nigeria police they watch us now. I need they talk for him mind say no be police wey they pay well. Now you go pay person thief.
My brother, that policeman we they watch now. That one, our officer.
The officer,
The real ones what they talk, they road. That's what they know. They stay off. They road.
they're not going to cut
This is how they read analysis we do every Saturday. Make una the send on that message can give us. You get to read the way what we want more talk, make it tutorial now. But the sender can give us so I the read at wazobiatv.tv or follow us on Twitter. If you comment on our Twitter page, we be at I the red, and we is going to follow you back. That's how we roll.
That's how we roll. That's how we roll. Still on Tori Don Wawa because we still get many gist on ground. Them arrest man because in charge phone inside train. People where they charge phone, somebody charge phone inside train, they arrest them.
Why
Hope
you go
we hear
charge
the
phone?
story. Then we go come back to pour water on the talk.
Yes.
Another Tory Wawa, he get muzzle. Them arrest one man because in charge phone inside train. Robbie Lee, 45 years old, enter train inside North London. Now he say, as in phone they do pim, battery low. Now he say making just charging iPhone where they show low battery. As in come down from the train, 4 police officer come anchor farm. They come frog marshal enter police motor. Say in steal electricity. Okay. In biggest struggle with them, say them no get work. That one I will tell arrest person. But when they call reach police station, they call tell and say them no charge them for stealing electricity again. Now they re-arrest them for unaccepted behavior. Police officer. Truly, this story wawa.
Oh boy,
They arrest her for stealing electricity.
for
As in,
resisting arrest.
You know say phone they use
Women.
train they use light. So plugging phone means say they steal
Women
electricity.
they carry charger they waka for Nigeria.
My
Anyway,
brother.
as you see light for anywhere where you they go piat.
You don't plug.
In Nigeria, you go enter one place, go see the first thing everybody.
But we
look
dey
at
free
it.
for this country.
I bet one na socket, the socket. Even for church.
We dey free for this country.
That means somebody they go
Just
plug
to charge
for
for
church. Electric go shock her.
Yes, now.
Because they don't over the plug. So as they shock now, people just say na anointing. If they shock, is that?
Ẹ̀mí ló ń gbé ní ẹ̀mí.
Ẹ̀mí
Ẹ̀mí kan ló ń gbé mi. Ṣé mo wọnú ẹ̀mí inú tọ́ọ̀tì? Ẹ̀yin tẹ́mi gbé mi kẹ́ bá wíwọ wọnú ẹ̀mí. Mo kú lẹ́nu mo wọnú ẹ̀mí. Ẹ̀ ṣéyàn gidi.
Oh my God. Oh,
Let's do
seriously.
somebody.
I bet you say that only Nigeria police know they too get work to do. The thing they worldwide.
No, that's no Western world their own. Sometimes they be like Chris. Who show me best in charge phone? I go leave my charge phone. They goes. See they call arrest.
They arrest am finish.
You steal electricity. I don't
They say,
understand. They put her for bag.
I don't know.
He carry the light put for bag. Go out. I know. What do you mean that me by say steal it? If you people don't have work, go out.
Let me say, na their power station. They supply the train.
Yes, now.
So then they reach the electricity as they go. If anything enter.
So now me
where
say,
they
why
drop
you go to
from-
follow the trainer?
I tell you now.
Mo think na.
But seriously, if na Nigeria here, they go arrest her. They go even build new prison to put people. Because prison go too full.
Prison for chargers.
Prison for phone chargers.
Who are charging phones? Because everybody for this country they hold charger they work.
Waka only this building. Waka round. You go see
Only
say.
this our office. I
This
know
country
people.
said they're not even-
All the Tunde already.
All of
All
them,
them poor. All of them. As a day
they
office
check-
now.
they
For
charge
charge
phone
phone
now.
they charge phone.
Now, all
They
of them
charge
they
phone.
charge phone.
The girl also say Nigeria, anything goes.
Yeah.
But that's why I'm in Nigeria. I love my country because no be lie. For what? Still electricity. See the charge.
And not to talk before they go call impose, they pay tax for like
Let's
I'm like, now the phone matter, but I don't say if na Nigeria, they don't even need to advance because if they charge your phone, if you not look at where person will thief and collect and go inside.
we charge phone with
So
control.
don't say charge at your own risk.
For Nigeria, you charge and wash.
Even those selling booths where they do like all those airport, all those shopping mall. Like say if you charge lock with key, go with key. You see people see go with the key, see the look.
See the look. Whether you go bring spec
Somebody video will get spec because they walk there. Normally every lock they get like 4 or 3. Where the remaining 2 spec.
and the lock up. All right, still on the matter. You know, say many things will happen. Now different things they happen for this country. Somebody just not tired for the fake life when they live. You not tired. You say no, you won't come out. They live fake life as doctor. Say okay, you can come and say for over 9 years, you know they live fake life. We hear the full story as a fake doctor. We hear the full story I think.
Another story Wawa Sote we need to talk how I survive as fake doctor for 9 years. This na the story of Martins Ugu Okpe wey impersonate as Dr. George Davison. In thief the frame photocopy certificate come take go get work for Federal Ministry of Health where he work for good 9 years until they come babam. He say he no dey treat people but na administration and research things in dey do. Na there fraud dey inside health sector so he wan repair things. He say he dey sorry sha say they don catch am now. But na the desire to save the country na him push am enter this one. He be dey part of people wey embark on Ebola mission and na him be the NMA chairman, Nigeria Medical Association chairman since 2008. This man tori wawa sha but na catch me if you can him be do.
This man not do something wey be say he come out but now
impersonation.
No, na impersonation. No being come out to na they later discover
when they
catch
catch
am.
am, na him
If
come dey
I
talk.
don't know catch
when
am
he dey underground, when he dey underground, he dey do bad
the
thing.
guy is already in level 13 in federal government job. You go if I go level 16 if I become president sef.
No, being a fake doctor, we say you not get certificate.
Yes, you know yeah the story.
He's not a
It's
certified
still
doctor.
the photocopy of the certificate of a friend. Come they bear the person name. Come they can they do the job. Now the problem now you can see now where they also say this country you know they organize just this thing for 9 years somebody they work with another person's certificate. NMA Nigeria Medical Association.
Now this man on you yo.
Since
You know how many
2008.
ghost workers when they for Delta State?
Who shall be ghost workers? So who shall
My brother, you
You know
get
how
the
many
news.
ghost workers when
those
they for
are working the way
Abuja?
they carry all this aspirin, all this medicine they sell. Who certified them? That is supposed to be. You know, in Nigeria, something things the type. If you travel, go outside, you go see where if something they worry you, they know they just treat you. They go for a test.
Yes, to diagnose.
Ask for
English
yeah.
diagnose.
And to do always fiam. Give them 2 injections first. Oh yeah, go do test. Come back 3 days for the test.
Now wetin be that?
That one money don't they go first. So.
If you come my area, Elenu, this will not be joke. Aboki, I know when they sell water, he get chemist now.
You see,
He get chemist.
Now,
And they
these are-
wonder how he think when he go to school, when every I would what he give advice.
Aboki or good now. Igbo people they learn the trade.
Igbo no. If you want come people they do pharmacy, chemist.
And then they get apprentice
Na Igbo
for
them
apprentice.
na their
Igbo
business.
people will get apprentice they will be pharmacists.
Yes.
Yes.
You learn how to sell medicine.
Then you
become a
open-
pharmacist.
then
They
you
call
you
it
don't need to go to school.
Dr. Chibueze.
You know that's why
No,
this
say
one
normally
Igbo.
when you go meet doctor, say now so drug I want to take. Say doctor say no, I'm a doctor. Take this and that. But if you meet those pharmacists say now so drug say I'm my guy. I say take this thing. I do apprentice for 9 years for chemist.
You go learn that.
No, my people, I know how they do it. This national like this, we dey do it for red eye. Every day we don't talk
For
about the
I
story.
dey red. For I dey red. Correct than our
I dey red.
sister station.
All of them now, as far as they red and the eye they
So far red.
For eye they red.
I dey red.
Yes, because I won't go dirty eye after now. And I make my eye they red already. We're not going to talk about Russian Town Mosquito Festival. We'll talk about the couple who decide to start their wedding picture for inside coffin because they be undertaker. We also talk about the story of woman where arrest where say call to report policeman wey pay for a cab fare. Say the man try, not gonna do something for him. And also the man where they arrest say charge phone for inside train. Say steal electricity. I tell still we still don't know. We don't know. And finally, we talked about man who survived as fake doctor for 9 years. Photocopy somebody, this thing begin use for 9 years. Call me Nigeria Medical Association president.
Chairman.
Chairman. What will be the difference?
Na head.
All na the same. Na be the head of the association. Come on. That's a bad thing to do.
Honestly.
Please, if you have story that our just send it to us on our social media, our ID Red at wazobia.tv. Follow us on Twitter at ID Red. We will follow you back. This is ID Red, and here we want to close the curtain. Hala.
This is Allah, they like her.
Hala. Hala.
So, did you like what you just saw? I know you did. It's very simple. If you want to see more, just subscribe to our channel right now.